Usually we go through the front door, so that's it. How about Nico, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Senior and junior, right?
I'm junior, yeah.
No, that's not. No, that is. So they're passing drinks.
Đi nè. Bây giờ xe thì vừa được bao phụ tần bó đấy. Nhẹ nè. Cái chân tay bây giờ bên lúc này có tôi có tham gia cái. Đây là bao phụ tần father, mother represent this wedding here. Đi lắc xuống mặt con đây. And all the and all the aunt and uncle. And to the ultimate goal, represent Ben in here, okay?
Show, show.
And to all the brothers.
Tụi bỏ cái gì ra để tụi cá tụi nó tụi bỏ đó này tụi đỡ nào á. Tụi nó tụi bỏ đó này nữa. Tụi nó
các chị tao YouTube liền, các tôi liền các tôi một biết không ta, thế là cái nào tao muốn nó các nhà tôi không treo, ok của tôi chơi bớt rú nè, tao tới tôi rú tôi ra, thì sáng thì từ là cái cá tên trời ơi,
Top được cái gì nó từ từ.
nó tôi gì,
Nó từ kìa.
nó tôi gì từ là cá tài, từ nó từ đây nó, ở trong cái này nó, họ tôi chỉ trong bắt chết.
Dạ được.
I told my wife, well, why don't you be my translator?
Good luck, I hope it works. I don't know.
Không được kiến nói nữa. Tôi đặt chưa thay rồi nhiều kiến rồi. Cái này tua rổ thật phát lâu đó.
Phát lâu à?
Ta cái này rổ phát lâu đó.
Cái kéo nó được đi nhưng mà chỉ được có.
Everybody's like, they bỏ nhưng mà này nông là nông.
Có từng quán của tôi bro là cái kia.
Em bố trong cái trong cái là mình cho mình một
There's $200 over there. There's $200 over there just to put it down.
Yeah.
Just to way back in old days, just do as a boyfriend, girlfriend. And sometimes you may do something over.
สำหรับเคสนะครับ
So that's just like a rubber like insurance. Yeah. Okay, that makes that. Yeah. They're just negotiating.
So this is the first question is because we didn't do it, but it's the messenger. So we in Hmong culture, you know, when you get your wife, and the two messengers gonna come over here and to let them know that okay, you already got their daughter.
That's
the way it is. But since we didn't do it, but
Right. No, I
the answer is how the messengers send the messenger to the girl. Is there anything wrong?
Before you decide to get married, you go home, you have two persons to tell the family that you will marry her because so they don't consider you kidnapped.
Yeah.
That makes sense. That you get sent two persons to notify the parents. That's what
That's my daughter there. These are quite me about.
Yeah.
But you know, it's a target for
Alright. Alright. Let's do it.
So a small note, okay? If you don't send it to messenger, there's gonna be a fine.
Oh, really? Yes. Oh, I did not know that.
But it's like a side note.
Yeah.
Yes, to any other guy out there.
Okay.
He said no, it's a real.
We're not going to meet today yet because we have not ready yet. Mostly everybody, all the family here, everyone contribute $100.
Give some
Usually, we are different because sometimes we got more people than
The parents still have a gift that they want to give to you. They don't have it today yet. They won't give it to you when they give it to you.
That's so much fun. I get a little crazy because I scared.
通於實在都係8分鐘到機爬嘅機場啦，怕死呀！就呢場我傾咗咯，我來呢邊就that money is all my cousin, my friends, everything's coming to donate for my daughter and son's wedding. So it's $5,000 right now. So whatever my I'm gonna give some for
Give all his daughters.
plus the clothes and whatever. So whatever the next couple weeks or couple months, I gotta call them, come in, and I will get all the money that my friends, my cousin, everything donated, plus whatever I have it, and I'm gonna give to them. Okay? Yeah. So right now, the money, all my cousin, my friends, everybody donate for the wedding is $5,000. Yeah. Okay. And plus whatever.
Yeah, he gonna give more tools or be more than 5,000, close to 10,000.
Give you some money, plus whatever my friends and my cousin, everything donate for you, plus every clothes, whatever we're gonna give you. Okay? Yeah. Okay.
What you want for you guys to have happy family, you know, happy. Love, fun, sex, communication.
And finally, I want you to go all ways of your life, okay? Nothing, nothing gonna be cut your way. Nothing gonna be blocking you. Jesus is gonna be tracking you, and you're gonna go always at the rest of your life. Okay? So I hope
Husband and wife forever.
you gonna be, you love each other, and you're gonna go always whatever, like, you know, 60, 80, whatever.
Forever.
Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So Mona, myself is very happy for you guys. Okay? Yeah. Whatever this two, this one, and this one, we're gonna support you guys all the way.
Yep.
Okay? All the way. Yeah. Jesus say, whatever you pour, you love, I always beside of you. Okay? So I want you guys go like that, okay? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at you.
Okay?
So this will be the last one, yes? Last one.
We love you guys.
After today, you can come out here anytime. Anytime. You want drink Blue Label? Come to my house, let's sing.
I got some blue label right there.
I'm looking forward to the family trip now.
What's the partner? Oh, he's down there.
Oh, where you at?
You can't drink that what you want. You can do two.
I'm gonna see you a little bit up here. It's only the one.
Okay.
There you go.
Time, right? You ready?
Yup. All the time.
After this, we go through the front door. Okay, we don't go through the door.
Oh, yeah, we did. Gotta go one more time. We got two per.
Nó này một coi như lâu là nó xài lâu mà cả muốn nó cái cho trong đó cháu giờ sẽ mà.
So the grandma, grandpa, okay?
Đó lô mà xài đâu con mà chắc con mỏ nó lô mà còn nó cái cho trong đó một cháu sẽ trong đấy mà.
Damn, too much. Yeah, I know.
This means we gotta grow up now.
To all the family and friends come to support this wedding here, okay?
Một cháu thằng đó đấy chuẩn bị xin anh trai sẽ đến mà. Bắt tiền đó mà. One day was deep. We have to get to
Spirit of the house.
Yeah. Hello, nhà đó thì con học bao giờ nó còn một sao bắt sao chứ nó cái gì đó cái.
Làm sao vậy?
Yeah, you guys are.
That's it.
Alright, yeah.
Hi, Tom.
No, exactly. The door that you get enter, okay?
It's for you, right, Miter?
Cho cho chị ăn có mấy món này đặt cá là cho làm.
Yep, yep. Looking back.
Y'all married! Y'all married! Y'all married! Get it ready, get it ready, get it ready.
Oh, it's actually this. Oh, it's a bunch. Yeah. So we pass it down. Yeah, we gotta show it to our car.
That's great, man.
Hey, thank you so much for everything.
Yeah, glad to be the Yanko today.
Yeah, you guys have been awesome. Seriously, thank you so much. No problem. I appreciate everything you're doing. Alright, let's go, baby. Alright, let's go put this in.
Yeah.